Welcome to Sourdough Saddie, where I have no baking experience, but I want to be a sourdough girly. So this is my sad ass attempt. My attempts are either going to be super sad or they're going to be so bomb that everyone else is going to be sad that there's not enough to go around. So let's do this. This right here is a disclaimer that I can't find my measuring cup. So we're just going to have to do like the actual measuring cups that you're supposed to use for dry ingredients. This is important because it has a major effect on the rest of the video. So I was trying to give you guys a cuter aesthetic, but my roof is not done, so that's not your business. But I was reading this recipe and it said 6 cups of, this flour and then 3 cups of another flour to mix. And that'll be the flour that you use every day to feed your sourdough. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I had to pause and rewatch the video because my ADHD, I forgot how many cups that was so far. So this is me adding my 6th cup of all-purpose flour. And then I'm doing 3 cups of whole wheat flour. So I don't know what this tool is yet because I haven't gotten to that stage of making sourdough, but it came in my starter kit. So I'm going to use it right now. It looks like it's to be used for mixing. I don't know if that's the purpose, but I'm going to use it anyways. And I'm going to keep it a buck. Nobody has time for all that. So let's just get to shaking. Okay, yay, that's done. I'm going to go ahead and set that to the side. And I'm not one to act like I don't know somebody, so I'm going to listen to Barney and do like he says. Okay, great. Now that that's done, here's the jar I'm going to use to put my sourdough starter in. Okay, now look, I forgot to film that entire thing, but this is what it came out looking like, and I knew this wasn't right. I'm like, hold on, something's not right. This is exactly why I started this channel, because I knew it wasn't going to be right. So I'm going to go ahead and put this off to the side, just in case. I'm going to do another batch. But just in case I need to come back to this batch and this is actually what it's supposed to look like, I'm going to save it. Okay, so the recipe calls for 120 grams of water. Watch me struggle. Oh, Lord. Now, this right here is crazy. Look, 1 drop, 118, 119, 121, no. Looks good enough to me. Okay, so the recipe says 120 grams of this mixed flour. Now look at this. This is crazy because I'm sitting here like, that's not right. So I take a big chunk. Okay, 176. Take another big chunk. I'm like, whoa, that looks like half of my flour is gone. Like, this doesn't even make sense. Now, here's what triggered me. Okay, because now my weight is all thrown off. Now it's on the scale. I was done with this. I try to be kind and do this whole scale thing with the flour too. Look at one, it's going crazy. Who has time for this? No, I not me. It's going in here. Now, is this what it's supposed to look like? I don't know, but this is what I got. Okay, this is what I got. And that's the end product. And that's what it's just gonna have to be. Because, at this point, I told you what the channel was called. Yay. And this is me, just reminiscing about the future and, maybe the future dough that I'll have if this actually works. But, I'm just having fun. I'm not a professional. I never claimed to be. And then it's going to sit in the warmest place in my house because my house is like 65 degrees. So there it is. See you tomorrow.